Hey, it's the Wake and Bake. I'm Buck Stallion. I'm here with Liberty.
What the hell you talking about? What the hell you talking about? Roses. You ain't making no sense. You ain't making no sense. What the hell you talking about? What the hell you talking about? You ain't making no sense. You ain't making no sense. Shut up.
Can we turn the heat down just a little? Oh, fuck it. Woo. So we are on the road. We're going down the rails on the crazy train. And tonight is Riff Raff at the Catalyst. You can go if you want. I think it's like $25 a ticket or something. But you know, it's almost 10 o'clock, so that's a good time, you know, to wake and bake. Do you have the pen? Liberty's grouchy. You don't have the flu. You're just broken down. You don't have the flu. That's not the flu.
Body aches, chills. Had a fever last night. How often do you tell me? Am I hot? Hot. Does not happen.
Well, I think you're just broken. I think you're just broken down.
Which is why I'm sick. Because I work so hard.
Yeah, but I think that you could
My
bounce
anus is
back.
down, and it got me sick.
I think you could bounce back.
Well, that's
Yeah, I hate that whenever people come to work sick. Fucking get everybody else sick.
and then ditch out the last
And
2
then
days.
ditch out the busiest days.
Last 2 fucking days of everything.
Well, I hope you feel better.
No, I'm gonna go get some food shit.
No, I mean, I just hope you feel better for my sake. You're gonna drive me crazy with your bitchiness. Careful, this is a long one.
When you say you got a big wiener,
So, what songs are you hoping to hear tonight? Do you have any in particular
Well,
that you'd like to hear?
got 2 single.
What the hell you talking about? What the hell you
Right
talking
Side is a good one. You can check out Riff Raff on YouTube or whatever.
I mean, even his fucking Otis melody fucking shit that we did.
Yeah, but everybody did that. That
I
was kind of
know,
like
but
that.
still,
that
I liked his
Hot 16. Yeah.
you stretching the truth.
But yeah, I still need to print out a picture of him and me first meeting because we're gonna be doing the meet and greet with him tonight. And I don't know if I'll be able to do a quick interview, but I am gonna broadcast. Well, we're gonna set the show up for a 3-hour show.
You ain't making no sense. Dude, you ain't making no sense. Shut up.
Where?
Oh, here it comes. To
Behind
your,
us? To
no,
my
to
right.
your right. You in that mega triple bowl.
The triple bowl is hard to hit when you just want to smoke one bowl.
So I am going to bring
There goes the train. Fire train. Fire train. So, yeah, Rice Out will be good. I hope he does time.
Yeah, that's
But I don't know if he would. I'm thinking that he's going to be doing his new stuff.
Oh, I'm sure it's going to be Peach Panther all the way.
And I've only heard
Fucking
Carlos Slim.
Yeah.
I guess we should listen to more of the Peach Panther.
We like him regardless of what he's
It's true.
singing
Everything he
about.
does is good.
It's just epic.
Yeah.
Epic nonsense.
Pretty much everything he does is gold to me. Do you have a favorite artist? Call in 702-714-0247. You can call in right now. We're live. Or you can call in whenever the show's done and leave a voicemail. And we'll play it on later episodes. God. Today's podcast is brought to you by Buck Stallion's Holistic Emporium, a.k.a. The Green Shop Holistic Center. Give them a call at 209-284-3800 and get registered today to get some free gear with your first order.
Free?
Free, bro.
I like free.
Who doesn't like free? Fucking idiots don't like free shit. Oh, yeah. Thank you. We're here at the Buck Stallions Wake and Bake Podcast. And I'm going to get some burgers right now.
You want their new breakfast steak burger?
Oh, do I? What? Yeah, I do. The combo comes with like hash browns or something.
Yeah, you can either get hash browns or bites.
Yeah, I'll do the hash brown.
What do you want to drink?
And then, can I get a side of the Western bacon sauce?
Okay. And then what kind of juice was that, sir? If you want a coffee, orange juice, or juice?
Do you have milk?
Yes, we do.
I'll do that.
Okay. Would that be it?
And I will do a number 1, no tomato, no onion.
Burger for
Was that medium or large, man?
Small, please.
What kind of juice would you like for
A Dr. Pepper.
that? Okay.
And that will do it.
Okay, so I have a breakfast burger, medium hash browns, for milk, and then I have a famous no tomato, no onion, no fries, and a small Dr. Pepper.
That's perfect.
Okay, it's going to come out to $19.27.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
It's a long one.
All round.
Going off the rails on a gravy train.
I pulled out 300 first to have,
Okay.
and that's what's in there.
So, let's see, boom, and a boom, and a boom, ba boom, ba boom.
It's over. Like that. It's over for you, dude. Yo, I'm riding down the block, man. You could see the wheels shine 24/7, man. You could catch me on the ground. People get ready. There's a new sheriff. Gold rope chain, man. 24 carats. 24 carats, man. 24 carats. You could make a salad, man. 24 carats. 24 carats, man. 24 carats. Shining like a motherfucker. 24 carats. Hey, yo, I'm sick of biters. And I'm sick of faggots.
My milk. So, how did I get that? So this milk, it says that it is we pledge not to treat our cows with the growth hormone RBST. But then in small print it says that there's no significant difference has been shown between milk from RSV treated and non-RSV treated cows. So it's like a disclaimer that they might,
Yeah, just a little.
like they pledge, but it doesn't mean that they're. Shamrock Farms. Huh? Do they have a phone number?
I have an 800 number.
Yep, right here. 888. Hi, Roxy. Because the cow's name is Roxy. It sounds good. Look at it. Shows a cow with a measuring tape around its waist because it's slim.
Body shaming these cows.
Yeah, they body shame the cow. Why? So, how many arrangements did you do?
200 plus.
What's plus? Like 200 and
Okay, so 200 arrangements.
30?
Listen to me. Quit fucking talking.
It's a talk show.
200 arrangements just for front counter service, not including everything that went out to the grocery stores, which was in the 700s.
So the real answer.
Like 950 to 1,000 arrangements.
There we go. That's the real answer.
Well, you have to get the breakdown to get the realization for which. Because the 200.
Don't talk all sciencey at
we
me.
made in 2 days.
You made how many in 2 days?
200 arrangements.
200 in 2 days. So that's 100 a day.
Yeah.
So
That was Saturday and Sunday.
100 a day. And so you did that for 10 days? 9 days?
It's a 2-week process, sometimes up to 3. Because all that stuff from grocery stores has to get there, a few days ahead of the Valentine's shit. So we have to start all that a week ahead.
Right. Well, so what's the next next holiday?
200 transactions
Does St. Patrick's
in 1
Day?
day. Thank you.
Does St. Patrick's Day do people do it?
No.
Any
Mother's
flowers?
Day is going to be the next one.
Mother's Day.
Yeah. Easter, St. Patrick's Day.
So if you want to put your orders in now, we are taking PayPal payments for Mother's Day. Are we going to do bouquets? Are we going to do wreaths? What is Buck Stallion's Floral Emporium going to do? Arrangements. Okay, so floral arrangements for Mother's Day. Pre-order, prepay. And you can private message me for consultation information, or you can call 702-714-0247. You can call that number anytime and leave a message for the show, and one of the emporiums, the appropriate emporium, will get back to you. Or give the Green Shop a call. Maybe that'll help motivate you to do something positive with yourself. 209-284-3800, or you can go to greenshopdelivery.com and check out the store online. I'll talk to you guys later. Go ahead, feel free to call in. Like I said, 702-714-0247 whenever. If you want to talk about something. I don't care.
Cool bitch, they on our nuts like magnets. Might go dragnet and shoot him on Friday. If I miss, I get him one day. I'm good but fucking gunplay. I'm kinda contemplating taking his life. Not with a gun, but with a motherfucking mic. Shit's trite, it can get ugly. Watch it back, boy. My trigger finger's lovely.